Welcome to The Lazy Athlete, where we believe in simple solutions that work. You might think healthy eating is complicated, but I'm here to tell you it's easier than you think. Today, we're diving into 10 easy-to-find foods that'll build lean muscle while helping you lose fat. Plus, we'll share a few simple recipes that anyone can make. Right, listen up. Eggs, not just for breakfast, you hear? They're packed with more protein than a bodybuilder and contain all 9 essential amino acids. That means they're the building blocks for those muscles you want. And don't even think about tossing away the yolk. It's loaded with healthy fats that'll help your body burn fat efficiently. Next up, Greek yogurt. It isn't just for fancy meals, you know. This stuff is packed with protein and probiotics that'll keep your gut happy and your stomach from rumbling. And listen up, the casein protein in it digests slowly, making it the perfect snack to keep you full all night long. Chicken breast. It's a classic for a reason. Lean, mean, and full of protein. It's the protein boost your muscles are crying out for without the unnecessary fat. And don't think chicken is boring. It's versatile. You can grill it, bake it, stir-fry it. The possibilities are endless. Oats carbs that don't quit. Now who here loves carbs? You better, because oats are where it's at. They're the energy powerhouses that'll fuel your workouts and keep you feeling full longer. And don't even get me started on the fiber. It's like a magic trick for your gut, keeping things regular and stabilizing your blood sugar. That means no more energy crashes. Tuna, the swimming superfood tuna. It's not just for sandwiches. This stuff is packed with lean protein and omega-3s, which are like firefighters for your body, putting out inflammation and helping you burn fat. And the best part? It's convenient. Open a can, toss it in a salad, or eat it straight out of the tin. I don't care. Quinoa, the muscle-building seed quinoa. Sounds fancy, but anyone can handle it. It's one of those rare plant-based foods that's got all 9 essential amino acids, making it a muscle-building machine. Plus, it's high in fiber, so you'll stay fuller for longer and avoid unnecessary snacking. Salmon, the king of the sea. Salmon, this isn't your greasy fish and chips. We're talking about the king of the sea, packed with protein and healthy fats that'll kick your metabolism into high gear and build muscle faster than you can imagine. Plus, it's got vitamin D, which is good for, well, everything. Cottage cheese. The nighttime ninja. Cottage cheese. It might look a bit old-fashioned, but trust me on this one. This stuff is loaded with casein protein, which digests slowly and keeps your muscles fed all night long. That means you'll wake up feeling great, ready to tackle the day, or at least get out of bed. Chickpeas, the muscle-building bean. Chickpeas. They might be small, but don't let that fool you. These little beans are packed with protein and fiber, making them the perfect fuel for building muscle and keeping those hunger pangs at bay. And the best part? They're versatile. Hummus, curry, salads, the possibilities are endless. Almonds, the perfect snack attack. Almonds, the perfect on-the-go snack that'll fuel your workouts and keep you from unnecessary snacking. They're packed with healthy fats, magnesium, and protein, making them the perfect little energy bombs. So ditch the crisps and grab a handful of almonds. Your body will thank you for it. Easy eating, strong results. Listen up, everyone. You don't have to be a chef or a gym junkie to eat right. It's not rocket science. By focusing on these 10 nutrient-dense, muscle-building, and fat-burning foods, you can level up your fitness with minimal effort. Combine them with a bit of exercise, some water, and a decent night's sleep, and you'll be well on your way. Keep it simple, stay consistent, and remember, even those who take it easy can get strong. Now stop eating junk and get on with it.